So guys, in number system there are 7 to 8 things. Okay, we'll discuss one after another. First thing I want to tell you about number system is the type of numbers. So guys, whenever you are going for the type of number, the first thing will come to your mind is that is the natural numbers. Okay, natural number means what? All the numbers which are countable. Okay, you're starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to n. Okay, so now what is the positive number? This side is positive, this side is negative. Okay, so this one will be the positive number, this one will be the negative number. Okay, so now what do you mean by the odd number? Odd number means which is not divisible by 2. If the number is not divisible by 2, that is your odd number. If the number is divisible by 2, that is your even number. Now the last one I want to tell you, that is the prime number. Guys, I think everyone knows the universal definition. The number which is divisible by 1 and itself is known as the prime number. So guys, after that they will ask you what is the first prime number. Okay, I know there are lots of people, they will say 1 is the first prime number. Guys, 1 is not a prime number, 1 is a special number. Okay, so I will tell this 1 is a special number. Now, you know what is the problem? They will ask you why 1 is a special number. First they will tell which one is the first prime number. You will say 2 is the first prime number. They are like, why 1 is not a prime number? They are like, you are like, so 1 is a special number. And that time you were so excited. It's like, so this is a question only, 1 is a special number. But guys, after that they will ask you why 1 is a special number. And this is the problem of all the engineering students, and this is the problem of maximum number of students. We know what is the answer, but we don't know why that is the answer. Okay, that is the main problem with us. Okay, and they will always take the advantages of this particular thing whenever they want to reject some people. Okay, so I will tell you why 1 is a special number. Let's go for the definition. What I told, the number which is divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, let's say we'll take one number, the number is 3. So this number is divisible by 1, this number is divisible by 3, yes or no? But now whenever you are going for 1, this is also 1 and that is also 1. So this both the things are equal. Okay, but whenever you are going for 3, 5, 7, 11 and all, so you can check for 1, you can check for that number. But here for 1, you can check with 1 and again the same thing, you have to check. The second time also you have to check with 1 only. So only because of that, this is your special number. Okay, means both the case you are checking with 1. Okay, only because of that 1 is a special number. After that 2 is the first prime number. After that 3, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, like that you have to go up to 100. Okay, after that also you will get the prime numbers, but if you know up to 100, that is more than enough for aptitude. Okay, so please try to remember up to 100. Factors and the multiple. Okay, the first thing, what is factor? Guys, it's a very simple thing. Factor means whenever you will divide. Okay, so when you will divide the thing, you will get factors, and when you multiply the thing, you will get multiples. Okay, so guys, let's take a number for the example. Let's say it is 10. Okay, so if you divide the thing, 10 divided by 2, you will get 5. So 5 is the factor and 10 is the multiple of 5. Okay, so guys, if I will take another example, okay, let's say 20. Okay, so 20 divided by 2, answer is 10. So 10 is the factor of 20 and 20 is the multiple of 10. So guys, if we will take another number, that is 50. So for 50, I can write it is 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, so now if someone will ask you, so please tell the factors of 50. Okay, so guys, when someone will ask you, let's find the factors of 50, you have to take the first one, that is 1. The second one is 50. Every time the same number and 1 will be there. Okay, after that we will go for the next thing. The first one will be 2. The second one, 2 into 5, this is 10. Third one, 5 into 5, 25, and this is 5. So if you go for the factors, you will get 1, after that is 2, after that 5, after that 10, after that 25, and finally you will get 50. Now if someone will ask you how to find the multiple of a number, let's say the same number we will take, that is 50. So what I will do, the first thing I will take, that is 50, the same number. Okay, now I will multiply. You can multiply anything, okay, except 0. If you multiply 1, you are getting 50. If you go for 2, it is 100, 150, 200, but you can't multiply a fraction. You can't multiply a fraction. If you multiply the fraction, you will not get the perfect multiple. Okay, so this is the basic thing about your factors and multiple. The most important thing in numbers system, okay, there are lots of company, they will ask you to find the number of factors. Okay, guys, I know it sounds very easy, but really it is difficult. Okay, I will show you how, and after that I will tell you the logic to find the number of factors. Okay, look here. So guys, let's take a number that is 16. If you go for the factors, I already told you people in factors and multiple. Factors means what? Whenever you will divide the thing and you have to start with 1. After that, you have to take the same number, 16. This 2 is always fixed. The same number and 1. Okay. After that, next one is 2, next one is 4, next one is 8. So total the number of factors is equal to 5. But guys, 16 is a very small number. Only for that reason you are saying 5. Okay. So for example, we will take one bigger number, that is 100, and for this you have to go for the factors, that is 1, after that 2, after that 4, after that 5, after that 10, after that 20, after that 25, after that 50, after that 100. Okay, so if you go for the number of factors, that will be 9. Okay, but guys, if you go for this particular thing, it will take lots of time to do. Only for that reason, now I will tell you the logic. Okay, so what is the logic? The logic is very simple. You have to simplify the number by using the prime factors. Okay, so first we will go for 16. So 16 is equal to 2 to the power 4. Okay, so it is the representation of 2 to the power n. So now you can say n is equal to 4. So guys, the formula for number of factors is equal to n plus 1. What is n plus 1? 4 plus 1 answer is 5, and I think the same answer we got when we used the manual method. Okay, so now we'll go for 100. Please remember we got 9 as answer. Okay, so what I will do for 100, the first thing is I have to simplify 100 by using the prime factors, that will be 2. Next one is 2, next one is 5, next one is 5. So I can write this one as 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2. So guys, here I am getting 2 powers. Okay, so I can say n1 and n2. So the formula will be n1 plus 1 whole into n2 plus 1. So n1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Next one again 3, 3 into 3, answer is 9. The same answer we got just before 2 minutes. So guys, always remember one thing, if it is only 1, if it is only 1 power, you have to go for n plus 1. 2 powers n1 plus 1 whole into n2 plus 1. 3 powers it is n1 plus 1 whole into n2 plus 1 whole into n3 plus 1. Whatever be the power, accordingly you have to change your formula. The divisibility rule, starting with 1. Whatever be the number you will take, whatever be the number you will take, that number divided by 1, 100% it is possible. Means it's completely divisible by each and every number. So for 1, there is no divisibility. Now we'll go for the next number, that is 2. For 2, if the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If the number ends with, if the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, or if the unit digit of a number consists this 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, that time the number is divisible by 2. So for 3 it is summation of all the digits, means whatever be the number you are getting, okay, what you have to do, you have to take all the digits of the same number and you have to add it. Okay, I'll show you by using one example. I will take 123. So what I will do, 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, total is equal to 6. Okay, so now we got the summation. But what is the exact logic? The logic is the summation of all the digits if it is equal to 3 or divisible by 3. If it is equal to 3 or divisible by 3. Okay, so now what we got? We got 6. So 6 is not equal to 3, but 6 is divisible by 3. Okay, so now whenever the number is divisible, so 100% the number is divisible by 3. Guys, for 4, you have to check the last 2 digits of a number. Okay, let's say we'll take one number that is 1256. I will not check the total number. Okay, I will check only 56. Okay, so guys, 56 divided by 4. 56 divided by 4 is possible only for that reason 1256 is divisible by 4. Now 100% one common question will come inside your mind that, sir, why we are taking the last 2 digits? Why not last 3 digits? Why not 1 digit? Guys, it's that much simple. Whenever you are taking the number 1256 and if you take this 56 out, if you take the 56 out, you are remaining with 1200. Means you are remaining with 1200. So guys, 1200 is a multiple of 100. Correct? If the number, whatever you are getting, is a multiple of 100, then there is nothing to check, because each and every multiple of 100 is divisible by 4. Okay, only because of that reason we are not checking for this 12 or 1200. We are checking only the last 2, that is 56. Okay, so 5 is very simple. If the number ends with 0 or 5, okay, it means we'll take one example. If it is 15, okay, so it ends with 5, so 15 is divisible by 5. Guys, for 6 you have to check, like if someone will give you a number, okay, and will ask you to check whether it is divisible by 6 or not. So what you have to do, first you have to check whether it is divisible by 2 or not and 3 or not. Guys, it is not or, it is and. If it is divisible by 2 and if it is divisible by 3, then only the number is divisible by 6. Okay, I will take one simple number. The number is 48. Now I will check, is divisible by 2 or not? Yes, because it is ends with 8. So it is divisible by 2. Now after that, for 3 I already told you people, the summation of all the digits is equal to 3 or divisible by 3. If you go for the summation, you will get 4 plus 8, that is 12. 12 divided by 3 is possible. So 48 is divisible by 6. Done. So guys, for 7 and 11 I will tell you later in this video. Okay, so now we'll go for the number 8. The divisibility rule of 8 is similar to the divisibility rule of 4. Okay, why? Because in 4 we used to check the last 2 digits. Okay, and now we are checking the last 3 digits. Why? That also I will tell you. I will take one simple example. The example is 4256. So what I will do, I will check the last 3 digits. Okay, so 256 divided by 8 is possible. So 4256 is also divisible by 3. Now one common question will come, sir, why you are taking the last 3 digits? So guys, if I will take the 3 digit out, I am remaining with a number which is a multiple of 1000. Okay, so this one I am getting 4000, so I can write this one as 4 into 1000. So at each and every multiple of 1000 is divisible by 8. Only for that reason we are not checking for 4000, we are just checking for 256. The number 9. So guys, 9 is similar to 3. Okay. So guys, in 3 you have to go for the summation of all the digits if it is equal to 3 or divisible by 3. Here also the same thing, the summation of all the digits which is equal to 9 or divisible by 9. So I'm taking one example, that is 432. If you go for the summation, I'll get 4 plus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 9. So 9 divided by 9 is possible. Only for that reason this 432 is divisible by 9. So guys, for 10 I don't want to tell you what is the divisibility rule, because I think everyone knows how to check whether the number is divisible by 10 or not. If you don't know, please don't watch the video. Okay. So guys, chalo, I'm telling it. The number which is ends with 0, or if the unit digit of a number contains 0, that number is divisible by 10. That much simple it is. Okay. So now I will tell you the two difficult one. The first one 7, the second one 11. Okay, let's start with 7. Guys, for 7 there is no proper divisibility rule. Okay, but if you want to check whether the number is divisible by 7 or not, you have to follow one trick. Okay, I will tell you the trick. So what you have to do, first I will give you an example, after that we will go for the trick. Okay, so guys, I will take one number that is 343. So whatever be the number, I will take the last digit, okay, or the unit digit. Done. So if I will take the unit digit, you will get 3. So after that I have to multiply the thing with 2. So I will get the answer as 6. Whatever be the answer I got, I have to subtract the answer from the remaining number. What is our remaining number? 34. So 34 minus 6 answer will be 28, and this is our final answer. Okay, and if this final answer is divisible by 7, then the total number is also divisible by 7. So whatever be the number, you have to go for the unit digit. The first, you have to go for the unit digit. After that, multiply it with 2. Okay, so whatever be the answer you are getting, subtract the answer from the remaining number. This is the remaining number minus the answer. Okay, so now whatever be the final answer you will get, you have to check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. Okay, so if it is divisible, that will be divisible by the previous number. If it is not divisible, that will not divisible by the previous number. Okay, so this is all about the divisibility rule of 7. Now we'll go for the last one. It's not the last one, guys. If you remember up to 11, that is more than enough for aptitude. Only because of that reason we are telling up to 11. For 11, there is a proper formula. The formula is, or the definition is, if the difference between the summation of odd number places value and even number places value is equal to 0 or 11, then that number is divisible by 11. And I know you didn't understand anything from this total line. Okay, so what we will do, I will give you one simple example, and after that again we will come back to the logic or the definition, whatever you say. So I will take one number that is 165. So if you take the number like 165 and if you go in a particular order, okay, so that will be first, second and third. Guys, whenever they are telling about the odd number places, as you know, odd number places means first and third, and even number places means that is second only. Okay, so they are asking the summation of odd number places and even number places. The summation of first and third, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, and there is only one number, so that is also 6. The difference between that minus, if it is 0 or 11, then the number is divisible by 11. So here I am getting 0. So 165 is perfectly divisible by 11. I'll give you another example. If I will take 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay, so this one will be your first one, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth. If I will take the odd number places, that will be first and third, then one even number places, that is second and fourth. If I will take the summation of odd number places, means first and third, so 1 plus 3 answer will be 4. Now if I will take the even number places, 3 plus 1 answer will be again 4. Okay, 4 minus 4 answer is 0, and whenever is 0, this is divisible by 11. Okay, so this is all about the concept of divisibility rule. So guys, I think everyone knows about the unit digit, but yes, I have to start with the basic only. So please look here. So guys, if the number is 122, what is the unit digit? The unit digit is 2, the last one. If I will give another number 1250, the unit digit is 0, but no one will ask you this type of question. Okay, they will ask you about the equation or the power digit. Okay, so we'll start with the equation one. So guys, the first thing is, if you are going for the unit digit, you have to go for the answer. Okay, and if you find the answer, it will take lots of time. Only for that reason, what we will do, we will go for the unit digit of each and every number. We will go for the unit digit of each and every number. So if I go for the unit digit of each and every number, it is 5, 2, 8, 1 and 1. So now, the plus sign is given. What I will do, I will just add the unit digit of each and every number. So if I add 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 16 plus 1, 17. Okay, so the total answer for the unit digit will be 17. So this one is also a 2-digit number. Here also you have to take the unit digit. So if you take the unit digit, this will be your 7, and the answer for this particular equation is 7. I think everyone understood the concept behind this. Okay, so now I will just change the question. The same thing I will do, that equation only, but now we will go for the multiplication. Guys, the answer will be 0. So you will think now, sir, how come you got the answer just within 2 seconds? Okay, it's not like I mock up this particular equation, it's not like that. So guys, look here. Whenever you are having the unit digit as 5, 100% you will get the answer as 5. After that, we have an even number. That number is 2. Okay, so whenever we are having the even number, that number is 2. So 5 into 2, you will get 10. Okay, after that, whatever be the multiple of 10, you will get 0 as the unit digit. So there is no need to calculate. You can directly tell 0 is the answer. But if 5 and 2 is not there, how to solve it? That also I'll show you. So guys, what I will do, the same thing. The concept is always same, guys. Okay, I told you earlier that you have to go for the unit digit of each and every number. So now here also we'll go for the unit digit of each and every number. So it is 1, 9, 8, 3, 7. So now I have to multiply. 1 into 9, 9. 9 into 8, 9 into 8, 72. Okay, so guys, now I got 72. If I will multiply 72 into 3, it will take more time. Simple. Without calculator, multiplication means it will take more time. So whenever you feel the number is a bigger one, just take the unit digit again. Okay, just take 2. Instead of 72, you can take just 2. So 2 into 3, answer is 6. 6 into 7, answer is 42. Okay, so the total answer you are getting 42. So the unit digit will be 2. Guys, whenever you are getting some more number, that time you have to search for 5 or 6 or any of the even number. By using this particular logic, you can easily tell whether it is 0 or not. Okay, if 5 is not there, 6 is not there, okay, 2 is not there, that time you have to follow this particular method. There is no shortcut for that. Okay, so now we'll go for the next one, that is your power digit. Like if I will tell you 2 to the power 127. Guys, if you want, you can use the calculator. Enjoy. Because I am 100% sure it is not possible to find the unit digit by using the calculator whenever it is a power digit. So guys, I bet you unit digit or leave that unit digit. If you want to use calculator, no, if you want to show us that you know how to use calculator, use that in remainder finder and tell me how to find the remainder finder of a power digit. Okay, try no. It is not possible only. Okay, look here, what to do. 2 to the power 127, we have to find the unit digit. So guys, whenever we are going for the power digit, we have to go for the power cycle. Now the thing is, what is the definition of power cycle? What is the meaning of cycle? Cycle means it will be a circle. What is the meaning of a circle? Circle means the starting point and the ending point both will be same. Yes or no? Means from where you are starting, after some time again you will come there. What is the power cycle? Whenever you are getting the same thing, okay, whenever you are getting the same thing again and again, whenever you are going for the power, that is your power cycle. Simple. Okay, so first we will go for the power cycle. How to find it, that also I will show you. Look here. So I will write 2 to the power 1. What is 2 to the power 1 guys? 2. 2 to the power 2, 4. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 2 to the power 4, it is 16. I also know, but I will write 6 because I am going for the unit digit. So now, if I go for 2 to the power 5 is 32, but I will write 2. Guys, did you notice anything here? After the fourth thing, I am getting the same thing. Okay, to make you understand this thing perfectly, okay, I will take another number like 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64. I will take 4. See, you are getting the same thing. Yes or no? So after the fourth value, you are getting the same thing again. So here the power cycle is equal to 4. Okay, guys, PC means the power cycle. After that, there is nothing to do. You have to use one simple formula. The formula is the given power divided by the power cycle. What is the power given? 127. So 127 divided by the power cycle 4. So now 127 divided by 4, you will get the remainder as what? You will get the remainder as 3. You have to find the remainder is. So guys, whenever you are getting the answer as 3, you have to go for 2 to the power 3. Whenever you are getting 2, 2 to the power 2. Whenever you are getting 1, 2 to the power 1. But now another thing is given, that is 4. Whenever you are dividing the number by using 4, you will never get 4 as the remainder. Okay, you will get 1, you will get 2, you will get 3, or you will get 0 whenever it is perfectly divisible. Okay, so guys, I will give another example for that. As of now, please remember, whenever you will get a 0 as the remainder, you have to take the last digit of your power cycle. Okay, how to do it? Look here. If I take another number, it's 2 to the power 28. 2 to the power 28. So according to this formula, given power is equal to 28 divided by 4, I will get the remainder as 0, yes or no? So whenever I am getting the remainder as 0, I have to take 2 to the power 4. Let's go for the next one, that is your finding 0. Okay, so guys, again the same thing. We'll start with the basic. Basic means the normal number I will give. Okay, so let's say the number is 1200. Okay, so how many zeros are there? 1, 2. There are 2 zeros. Simply I will write 2 zeros. Now, what I will do, I will divide the thing by using 10. 1200 divided by 10, what you will get? You will get 120. Now if I will count, I will get 1 0. After that, what I will do? Again divided by 10, I will get 12, and here I will get 0 zeros. So now it is decreasing, yes or no? First we got 2, after that it's 1, after that is 0. Guys, it's only because of 10, yes or no? Whenever I am dividing 110, the number of zeros decrease by 1. So guys, I can tell that this 0 is responsible for 10, or this 10 is responsible for 0. Whenever you are getting 110, that time it is 1 0. That much simple it is. So tell me how many zeros are there? There are some students that are thinking there are 2 zeros. Yes or no? 1, 2. Yes or no? But guys, there is only 1 zero. I think by now you already understood the concept. We want 0 from our right hand side. We don't want 0 if it is there in the middle. Okay? Why? Only because of that I told you the thing earlier. I told you that 10 is responsible for 1 0. So if I will take 1050, this one is 105 into 10. Okay? Is there any 10 available in 105? No. There is only one 10 available, so answer will be only 1 0. Got it, guys? Guys, now if you look at the question, there is no 10 available. Yes or no? But if you go for the answer of this particular equation, you will get lots of 10. How? I will tell you. So guys, I told whenever you are getting 110, that time you can consider that 10 as 10. Okay? Now, guys, there is no need to find 10. You can go for a pair of 5 and 2. Whenever you are getting a pair of 5 and 2, it means you are getting 110. And whenever you are getting 110, you can consider that one as 10. So guys, instead of going for 10, what we will do? We will go for the pair of 5 and 2. So now, if you will go for 25, it is 5 to the power 2. This is 5 to the power 4. And this is 2 to the power 7. So how many 5s we got? We got 6 number of 5. We got 7 number of 2. Leave this. Okay, I am telling, let's say you are having 6 number of Cadbury silk. You are having 6 number of Cadbury silk and you are having 7 number of Kit Kat. You have to make a pair of 1 Kit Kat and 1 silk. You have to make a pair of 1 Kit Kat and 1 silk. So tell me how many pairs are possible? There are 6 pairs possible. After that, 1 Kit Kat will be left out that you can eat it. Okay, so whenever you are getting 6 pair, here also will get the 6 pair. Yes or no? This is one different thing. This is your 5 and this is your 2. So you will get 6 pair of 5 and 2. After that, 1, 2 will be left out. That I will not tell you to eat. Okay, throw it. Okay, so you will get 6 pair of 5 and 2. I told you 5 and 2 means 10. So you are getting 6, 10. It means you will get 6 zeros. Answer will be 6 zeros. So guys, whenever you are solving this question, always be ready with the calculator. Okay, only to check the answer. Okay, solve this question according to the logic and after that check the answer whether you are getting the same 6 zeros or not. I'm 100% sure if you go for the answer of this particular thing, in the end of the answer you will get 6 zeros. Let's say it is 5 factorial. Guys, what is the meaning of a factorial number? Means that number into up to 1. So now the thing is, if they will ask you how many zeros are there, so now 5 into 2, you are getting 110, so total 10 is there. Now we have to go for the number of 10. The first we will get 110. After that another one we will get from here, 5 into 2. Okay, so 5 into 2 will get another one. So total number is 2 zeros. Okay, so guys, whenever it is 5 factorial, your answer will be 10, and whenever it is 10 factorial, the answer will be 2 zeros. Guys, if you check the question once again, you can feel that 5 factorial and 10 factorial both are very small factorial number. If I will give you a bigger one, let's say 1000, 2000, 5000, is it possible to find in this way? Always remember in aptitude, one interesting fact is, whenever you feel the question is difficult, there the shortcut tricks start. Whenever you feel this question is not possible, it is not possible is only for you, not for everyone. Guys, you don't know the trick, only for that reason it is difficult. Okay, if you know the trick, 100% it is possible. If one company is giving 1 minute, maximum 1 minute to solve one question, it means it is possible to solve that question within 1 minute. Okay, for you it is not possible. but for some set of students it's possible. Now you think in a fresh mind. If it is possible for that set of students, why not for you? Let's start with the trick how to find the zeros, the number of zeros if it is a factorial number. If it is 10 factorial, I will take this 10 and I have to divide it by the highest power of 5. Not only highest power, up to the highest power of 5. How to do that? Look here. So I'll take 10 divided by 5 to the power 1 is 5. Next one, 10 divided by 25, like this. 10 divided by 25, it's not possible. So the highest power is 5 to the power 1 only. So 10 divided by 5, your answer will be 2. The same thing we got just before 2 minutes. Yes or no? We'll go for 5. 5 factorial means I will take 5. 5 divided by 5 answer is 1. The same thing we got just 3 minutes ago. If it is 100 factorial, what I will do as reg 100 divided by 5 plus 100 divided by 25 plus 100 divided by 125. This is not possible. Okay, so now this one is 20, this one is 4. Answer will be 24 zeros. So if you go for 1000 factorial, so 1000 divided by 5, the answer is 200. 1000 divided by 25, instead of that you can do 200 divided by 5, the same thing you will get. Okay, 200 divided by 5 you will get 40, or 1000 divided by 25 is also 40. 40 divided by 5 you will get 8. 8 divided by 5, the point value will be 1.6. So your answer will be what? Your answer will be 249.6. So I am telling you to find the number of zeros. Whenever I am asking you the number of zeros, you can't tell me, sir, I will get 0.6. Not possible. You have to tell me the whole number. But guys, in aptitude, whenever we are getting a point value which is more than 5, we used to take the next number. But guys, whatever it may be, in finding zeros, you have to take only the whole number. If it is given 1.999999 also, you have to take only 1. Please remember, it's only applicable whenever you are going for finding zeros. So your answer will be 249 zeros. Okay, guys, in some company they will ask you, tell me how many zeros are there. In some company they will ask you, tell me what is the highest power available. What is the highest power available for 5? Guys, here also we are searching for 5 only. Here also we are going for the power of 5. Means the same concept. If they are asking you the highest power of 5, then also you have to follow the same method. And if they are asking to find how many zeros are there, again also you have to follow the same method. Okay. But guys, again another question will come. So guys, you only told us that 10 is equal to 5 into 2 and we have to search the pair of 5 and 2. But why you are searching only 5? You are not checking for 2. Guys, if you go for any of the number of 5, whatever you will get, that will be always less than the number of 2. Okay, only for that reason I am not checking for number of 2, because I know whatever be the number of 5 I am getting, I will get more number of 2s. Okay, did you remember just before some 10 minutes I told you that you are getting 6 5s, you are getting 7 2s. That time what we did, I just cancel 1 2 and I make a pair like 6 pair of 5 and 2. So every time the number 2 is more than the number of 5s. Only for that reason I will not check 5. Sorry, I will not check 2. I will check only 5. Okay. So this is the logic behind that. And whenever they will ask you to find how many zeros are there, copy paste, same method. And if they will ask you the highest number of 5, that also you will like, sir, I don't want to follow any other method. I will follow this only. Okay. Because for both the question, this is only the method. Okay, 28 factorial. What I will do? 28 divided by 5 to the power 1, so it is 5. Next one, 28 divided by 5 to the power 2, 25. 28 divided by 5, what you will get? You will get 5.6. So I already told you people, whenever you are going for any point value, you have to take the whole number only. So it is 5. This one, 28 divided by 28 divided by 25. What you will get? You will get 1 point something. This 5 plus 1, answer is 6. You can tell you will get 6 zeros, or you can tell the highest power of 5 available is 5 to the power 6. So now we go for the next one, that is your remainder finder. Okay, so guys, before I tell you anything about remainder finder, we'll just go back to our childhood days. Okay, so that time they used to give a very small number and they want us to find the remainder. Okay, so I'll take one very small thing. Okay, 35 divided by 4, and we used to do like this only. It is not like 35 divided by 4. We used to do like this. 4. Okay. So 4 is the 32. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. So this is our remainder. This is our quotient. This is our divisor. And this is our dividend. Okay. So now if I will tell you the remainder theorem. Okay. Remainder theorem is dividend is equal to divisor into the quotient plus the remainder. Okay, so this is the remainder theorem. Okay, why I am telling this? Because I want to show you people from where you are getting the remainder. Okay, now what I will do, if I want to write 35 in terms of remainder theorem, what I will do, I will write 35 is equal to 4 into 8 plus 3. So again the same thing, they will never ask you this type of question. Okay, they will ask you the second type, that is the equation 1, the third type, that is the power 1. One more thing guys, whatever be the concept I told you in unit digit, the same concept is applicable here. Concept means I am talking about the power cycle and all. Okay, the small change that I will tell you, but the concept is totally same. What I told in unit digit, you have to go for unit digit of each and every number. Okay, so here you have to find the remainder for each and every number. After that you can add it. Okay, so 65 divided by 5, what is the remainder? 0. 71 divided by 5, remainder is 1. 39, 4. 29, 4. 51, 1. Addition is there, add it. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10. Now you will think, sir, how come 10 is the remainder? Guys, remember one thing, whenever you are getting the answer and that answer is more than the denominator, that time again you have to divide it. If you divide again, you will get the remainder as 0. So the answer for this equation is also 0. For 63 divided by 5, I will get 3. This one I will get 4. This one I will get 3. This one I will get 4. This one I will get 2. Okay, so first what I will do, 3 into 4 I will get 12. Guys, I don't know you remember the thing or not. I told you that whenever you are getting a bigger number, okay, just go for the unit digit. But here, this is remainder finder. What you have to do, just go for the remainder of that number. Okay, so 3 into 4, 12 I am getting. There is no need to take 12. What I will do, 12 divided by 5, what is the remainder? 2. I will take 2 only. Okay, 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. 24 divided by 5, I will take 4 only. 4 into 2, 8. 8, which is more than the denominator, so 8 divided by 5, the remainder is 3. If it is 2 to the power 129 divided by 3. Guys, you have to go for the logic if you want to solve this remainder finder. Okay, so let's go for the power cycle. I already told you people, power number means power cycle. So, but that time we used to go for unit digit. This time we have to go for remainder. Okay, so 2 to the power 1 divided by 3, you will get the remainder as 2. Okay, next one, 2 to the power 2, 4 divided by 3, you will get the remainder as 1. 2 to the power 3, 8 divided by 3, you will get the remainder as 2. Again 2 to the power 4 divided by 3, you will get the remainder as 1. So here you are getting 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So the power cycle is equal to 2. So power cycle is equal to 2. Guys, the same logic. What I told. Given power divided by the power cycle. What is the given power? 129 divided by the power cycle. What is the remainder you will get? You will get the remainder as 1. Whenever you are getting the remainder as 1, you have to go for 2 to the power 1. And again the same thing. Whenever you are dividing the number by using 2, you will never get 2 as remainder. Sometimes you will get 0 as remainder. Whenever it is 0, you have to take the last of your power digit. That's all. So this one I am getting 1, so I will go for 2 to the power 1, that is 2. So answer will be 2. This is the remainder of this particular power digit. So guys, let's start the last one, means the last topic of number system. Okay, that is your LCM and HCF. If you will understand the definition, okay, you can solve 50% of the question. Only the definition. Guys, always remember there is a proper order. Okay. One day I asked one of my student, he's like, okay, why this is the formula? They're like, sir, universal formula only, sir. How I know, sir? This is the formula. I said, okay, why this is the definition? That student is like, sir, this is the formula, only because of that this is the definition. Guys, no. The order is definition. Next one is the formula. Next one is your logic or the trick. After that, your problems. Okay. If you go for any other thing, okay, I'll tell you another order. It is definition. Okay. After that, the formula. After that, it is the unit. After that is the shortcut trick. After that, it is the problem. Okay. It will be like this. Okay. If you read the concept, whatever be the concept, if you read the concept in this way, everything will be simple for you. What is the difference between LCM and HCF? Okay. Guys, in LCM, I am getting the multiple. In HCF, I am getting the factors. I already told you what is the meaning of multiple, what is the meaning of factors. So today I will tell you how to find that. Okay. We'll take one number. Sorry, we'll take two numbers, 12 and 16. First, I will start with the traditional method, means your method. Okay. 2, 6 and 8. After that again 2, 3 and 4. If you go for the HCF, means the highest common factor, this will be 2 into 2, that is your 4. If you go for the LCM, you have to multiply everything. 2 into 2 into 3 into 4, answer will be 48. So this is the LCM and this is the HCF. And this is your traditional method. Now I will tell you another method, okay? That method is your prime factorization method. So 12, I can write 2 into 2 into 3. This one I will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Guys, whenever you are going for HCF, the highest common factor, okay? Factor you already got. Prime factors, prime factors. The common, you have to find the common thing, highest. You have to find the highest common thing which is available in 12 and 16. Okay, so here 2 into 2, here also 2 into 2. 3 is not available, so you have to take 2 into 2, this is 4. Whenever you are going for the LCM, the least common multiple, you have to take the highest power available. I think that is easy for you. Okay, so 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 4. Which one will take? 2 to the power 4. 3 to the power 1, next one is 3 to the power 0. Which one will take? 3 to the power 1. Answer is 48. The same answer. Okay. So now I will tell you the third one. That is the shortcut method. By using that, you can find the answer within 5 seconds. Okay. So I think all are like waiting for the shortcut. So let's start the shortcut. We'll take the same number, 12 and 16. 5 seconds, guys. Tell me what is the difference? The difference is 4. 12 divided by 4. 3. 3 3 into 16, answer is 48. Okay, once again, we'll go. 12 and 16, what is the difference? 4. 16 divided by 4, what is the answer? 4. 4 into 12, same thing. If you take 12 also, you'll get the same answer. If you take 16 also, you'll also get the same answer. Okay, we'll take another one. 27, 36. What is the difference? The difference is 9. 27 divided by 9, answer is 3. 3 into 36, answer will be 108. And this is the LCM. And this is the shortcut for LCM. But guys, another thing. Again check the number, no? If you go for the difference, whatever be the difference you are getting, that difference is completely divisible by any of the number. My question is, if it is not divisible, what will you do? Let's say we'll take 18 and 48. What is the difference? The difference is 30. 18 divided by 30 is not possible. 48 divided by 30 is also not possible. So what you have to do, like when the difference between the two numbers is not divisible by any of the number, go for the highest common factor of that two number. If you go for the highest common factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 6 is a factor, 9 is not a factor. So highest factor available between 18 and 48 is 6. Your work is only to change this. Instead of 30, just write 6. After that, I don't want to tell you anything. Answer is there in front of you. The same thing you have to apply. 18 divided by 6, answer is 3. 3 into 48, answer will be 144. Okay, I give you another example. 10 and 25. What is the difference? 15. Not divisible. 10 and 25, the highest factor will be what? 5. Instead of 15, just write 5. 10 by 5, 2. 2 into 25, answer is 50. If it is 15 and 90. 15 and 90. Guys, the difference is 4. 15 divided by 4 is not possible. 19 divided by 4 is also not possible. Guys, before trying any of the logic, just check that 19 is a prime number. Okay? Guys, whenever you are getting one prime number or whenever you are getting two prime number, your answer is that's all. Okay? There is nothing to do. Simply just multiply the thing. The product of that number will be the LCM, okay, of that two number. Guys, this two thing is also known as the co-prime numbers. Again the same thing. I will not tell only one particular thing. Whenever I am starting something, I have to tell something about that also. Guys, there are two types of co-prime. It's not only one type. There are two types of co-prime. The first type, one will be the prime number, one will be the non-prime number. This is the first type. Second type is, the first one is the prime, second one is also the prime. It is not like co-prime means every time you will get a prime number, okay? That is not the definition. The definition is when there is no common thing available between two numbers, that is known as co-prime. Here also 15 and 19, is there any common thing available? No, but 15 is not a prime number. After that also you have to take this one as co-prime. Okay, please remember this. Whenever you are getting two prime number, 100% you will not get any of the common thing. So that will be the co-prime. Whenever you are getting one prime or one non-prime, that time also you will get co-prime. Okay, so this is the shortcut trick. By using this, you can find the answer within 5 seconds whenever someone will ask you to find the LCM of two numbers. Guys, whatever be the trick I am giving you, okay, that is very useful whenever you will go for time and work. How it is useful, I will tell you in our next thing whenever we will teach you the time and work. Okay, so now another question will come. Sir, what if there are three numbers? Guys, if there are three numbers, you have to go for the traditional method. You have to go for the traditional method, or else you can go for the prime factorization method. Okay, so this is the basic concept of LCM and HCF. So now we will go for the next one, that is the formula. What are the factors of LCM? Sometimes in some company, they will give you the factors and they will give you the HCF and they will ask you to find the numbers. Okay, guys, always remember 6 and 8. 6 and 8 both have the factors of 12 and 16, but we will not take that. We will take the factor. The LCM factor means in which factor there is no common thing available. You can tell in other way, ratio. You can tell that ratio, not a problem. But this is, in this topic, this is your factors of LCM. So 3 and 4 are the factors of LCM. So they will give you the factors of LCM, they will give you the HCF and they will ask you to find the number. How to find the number? The first number is the first factor into the HCF. The second one is the second factor into the HCF. What is the first factor? 3. 3 into the HCF, 4. 12. Next one, second factor, 4. 4 into 4, 16. Okay, so this is your first formula. The second formula is the product of two number is also equal to the product of the LCM and HCF of that two number. I will take, if n1 and n2 are two number, then the product of n1 into n2 is equal to the product of LCM into HCF. We will check that also. So this one will get, total it is 48, this is the LCM, will get 4, that is your HCF. So 48 into 4, I will get 192. Okay, if I will multiply 12 and 16, again we will get 192. So now, another question will come. Sir, what is the use of this formula? What is the use of this formula? Guys, whenever you are having three things, means you are having the LCM, you are having two numbers, you can find the HCF. Okay, so this is the use of this particular formula. Okay, so now we'll go for the last one, that is the LCM and the HCF of a fraction. It may be P divided by Q, it may be A divided by, it may be variable 1 divided by variable 2, everything is same. Only one thing you have to remember, Q is not equal to 0. Okay, then that will be a fraction. Your whole number is also a fraction. You know why? If you take a whole number, let's say 2, I can write it 2 divided by 1. So this is also a fraction. The whole number is a fraction, but every time the fraction is not a whole number. Okay, so now let me tell you how to find the HCF and LCM. Okay, if you take the LCM, so now the common thing, this is 1 by 5, so I will get 3, 4 and 6. Is there any common thing available between 3, 4 and 6? No. So 1 by 5 is the HCF. After that, is there any common thing available between 3 numbers? No. But is there any common thing available between 2 numbers? Yes. There is some common thing available between 3 and 6 or 4 and 6. So I will take 3. So this one you will get 1, 4, 2. Again 4 and 2 common thing is available, so 2. 1, 2, 1. I will multiply everything. 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, 12, 12 into 1 by 5, answer will be 12 by 5. So this is the LCM and this is the HCF. Okay, and this is your traditional method. Okay, so now if you go for the formula, okay, the formula is, if you want to find the HCF, the formula is HCF of the numerator divided by the LCM of the denominator. If you want to go for LCM, LCM of the numerator divided by HCF of the denominator. Guys, the vice versa thing. Whenever you are going for HCF, HCF of the numerator divided by LCM of the denominator. Whenever you will go for LCM, LCM of the numerator divided by HCF of the denominator. And I think it's very easy to remember this formula. Okay, so by using this formula, you can find the LCM and the HCF of